So, jumping later on in the alphabet, I have another group member who's finishing up this time. This is Amy Tsui from undergraduate degree at Rutgers. And whereas Elise was a member of our BEAM team at the Stanford synchrotron, Amy's a member of the green team. Okay? We're very team-oriented in my group. So what is a green team all about? Well, it turns out that one of the areas that chemical engineers can make a real contribution to is the chemistry of the environment. There's a very strong program at Stanford that exists in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. And for the past 7 or 8 years, my group has been collaborating with some environmental engineers looking to achieve new sustainable materials that maybe would be produced by microbes. In fact, that's what we're working with. A bacterium that can make a plastic. Well, once you make the plastic, or once the bug makes the plastic, what are you going to do with it? There's all sorts of things. You can make composites, where you have this plastic mixed in with some sort of a fabric, and it could be a biodegradable fabric like hemp. Or you could make a foam out of it and use that for an insulating material. So what Amy did was to take this material produced by a biological route and then learn how to process it. The materials research field is one where not only do you have to do synthesis, you have to do processing as well as characterization and learn about the structure. So Amy did a lot of processing. She characterized her structure by doing scanning electron microscopy. Thousands of images, scanning electron microscope of the foams that she prepared. And then ultimately looking at the insulating character of it. In the process of doing so, she was very active in organizing and co-founding the Stanford Polymer Collective, which you've heard about. She's been very active in environmental issues, and I'm very pleased to hood her today.